Hey, you. Yeah, you. You want freedom? The kind of freedom where you call the shots, where your office can be anywhere in the world. You want to be your own boss? To decide when and where you work without anyone breathing down your neck? Freelance writing might be your thing. It's a career that offers flexibility and creativity, allowing you to craft your own path. It's a way to escape the 9-to-5 grind. No more rigid schedules or monotonous routines. You set your own hours. Want to work early in the morning or late at night? It's your choice. You work when you want, where you want. Sounds pretty good, right? Imagine the freedom to choose your workspace every day. Imagine this, waking up on a beach in Bali, the sun rising, the waves gently crashing. You grab your laptop, a smoothie, and start writing. Your office is a beach bar, your desk a wooden table with a view. No boss looking over your shoulder, no commute, just pure, unadulterated freedom. Just you, your words, and the sound of the waves. The perfect environment to let your creativity flow. That's the beauty of freelance writing. It's a lifestyle that many dream of but few dare to pursue. But it's not just about the freedom, it's about the power to shape your career, the power to choose your clients, your projects, your rates. You're in control. You decide who you work with and what you work on. You build your own business, your own way. Every project is a step towards your personal and professional growth, and that's pretty darn cool. Each success is a testament to your hard work and dedication. So, what are you waiting for? The opportunity to live life on your terms is right in front of you. The world of freelance writing awaits. Take the leap. You might surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Embrace the journey and write your own ticket to freedom. Freelance writing is more than just a job. It's a creative outlet, a way to express yourself, to share your ideas with the world. Whether you're writing blog posts, website copy, or even novels, you're creating something from nothing. And that's powerful. Every word you write is a chance to connect with someone, to inspire them, to make them think. You have a voice, use it. Think about the things you're passionate about. Travel, food, technology, whatever it is, you can write about it. And the best part, you can get paid for it. So unleash your inner storyteller. Let your words flow. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say. One of the best things about freelance writing, it's the freedom it offers. You can work from anywhere. Whether it's your favorite coffee shop with the perfect ambiance, a serene beach in Thailand with the sound of waves crashing in the background, or even your own cozy couch at home, all you need is a laptop and a reliable internet connection. That's it. Imagine this. You're tired of the daily grind, the long commute that eats up hours of your day, the office politics that drain your energy, the harsh fluorescent lights that strain your eyes. With freelance writing, you can say goodbye to all that. No more cubicles, no more rigid schedules. You have the power to create your own schedule. Tailor your work hours to fit your lifestyle. Work when you're most productive, whether that's early in the morning or late at night. Take breaks whenever you need them. Step away from your work to recharge and come back even more focused. Spend more quality time with your family and friends. Be present for the moments that matter. Freelance writing gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. So, ditch the cubicle. Embrace the flexibility. Work from anywhere, anytime. It's your life. Live it your way. Enjoy the freedom and the endless possibilities that come with being a freelance writer. Starting out as a freelance writer can seem daunting. You might be thinking, I'm not a good enough writer, or I don't know where to find clients. But trust me, everyone starts somewhere. The first step is to just start writing. Write about what you know, write about what you love. The more you write, the better you'll get. Next, build a portfolio, create a website, or use a platform like Upwork or Fiverr. Showcase your best work. And don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients. Remember, everyone was a beginner once. With hard work and dedication, you can succeed as a freelance writer. Crafting your portfolio, showcasing your skills. Your portfolio is your calling card. It's the first impression you make on potential clients. It's your chance to show potential clients what you can do and why they should hire you over others. Think of it as a highlight reel of your best writing. Each piece should demonstrate your unique voice and versatility. Start by gathering your best work. This could be anything from blog posts to in-depth articles. Blog posts, articles, website copy, anything that showcases your skills. The more diverse, the better. If you're just starting out, consider writing some sample pieces. These can be hypothetical projects or passion projects. Next, choose a platform to showcase your work. This could be your own website or a well-known freelance platform. You can create your own website or use a freelance platform. Each has its own advantages. Make sure your portfolio is easy to navigate and visually appealing. A clean, professional layout can make a big difference. Finally, tailor your portfolio to your target audience. Customize it to highlight the skills and experiences that matter most to them. If you want to write for tech companies, highlight your technical writing skills. Show them you understand their industry. The key is to make it relevant to the clients you want to attract. Always keep their needs and preferences in mind. The power of persistence. Never give up on your dreams. Freelance writing isn't always easy. There will be times when you face rejection, when you feel stuck, when you want to give up. But don't. Persistence is key. Every successful writer has faced challenges. The difference is, they never gave up on their dreams. Remember why you started writing in the first place? Was it the freedom, the creativity, the desire to share your voice? Whatever it is, hold on to that passion. Keep writing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Success will come. Embrace the learning curve. Grow with every word. The world of writing is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, writing styles change. To be a successful freelance writer, you need to be a lifelong learner. Embrace every opportunity to improve your skills. Take online courses, attend workshops, read books and articles about writing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different writing styles and niches. The more you learn, the more valuable you become as a writer. Remember, the journey of a writer is never over. There's always something new to discover. Embrace the learning curve and watch your skills soar. Your freelance adventure awaits. Start writing your story. So, you're ready to embark on your freelance writing adventure? Awesome! The world of writing awaits, full of possibilities. Remember, you are in control. You get to choose your clients, your projects, your hours. You are the architect of your own career. Don't be afraid to take risks, to put yourself out there, to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. So, what are you waiting for? Start writing your story today. The world is listening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more cash flow tips.